Guangzhou Penbo Display Products Company Limited is a professional supplier with senior industry experience, focusing on customized display products, including display stand, cabinet, counter, showcase, racks, and shop fitting fixture. We owning a professional sales consultant team, design team, engineer team, production team, after-sales team, can help our customers globally at different stages to reach their desires. We provide an entire one-stop service for you, from early concept development to final production operations. Our cooperative factory covers an area of 30,000 square meters, equipped with a full set processing facilities of hardware, carpentry, painting, and acrylic. Hardware parts include CNC machine, bending machines, punching machine, laser cutting machine, and so on. The painting workshop includes a 3-sided flow vortex spray booth, a dust-free purification workshop, a negative pressure grinding room, varnish booth, and a professional environmental treatment system. Our products are exported to Australia, the United States, Canada, England, New Zealand, Germany, Dubai, Qatar, Malaysia, and other overseas markets. We maintain long-term relationship with worldwide famous brands and also new, growing brands, helping them expand their retail market globally. We serve clients with the consistent principle of the best quality, durable structure, perfect design, punctual delivery, and customer satisfaction. Scientific designs, delicate workmanship, reasonable prices, and the best services make our corporate image perfect. For your support, we will move forward and further be the perfect shop fitting fixture manufacturer and your best business partner.